Hi, Tom Watts with Tech Republic here on site at Scale Computing Platform 2026. Now, Scale Computing supports some of the biggest retail restaurants in the world, including Taco Bell. So to dig into that relationship, I'm now joined by Daniel Fagosa, Digital and Technology Leader at Taco Bell International. Daniel, welcome.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Fantastic. Now, how long has Scale Computing been providing technology solutions to Taco Bell, Daniel, and what made it the best fit for your business?
I've been with Taco Bell a little over 4 years now, so Scale has been part of the picture since I started. I believe the relationship actually goes as far back as 2014. And really, the reason why Scale was such a good fit for Taco Bell is we really wanted to focus on the applications and the platforms that actually run our experiences in business versus the foundational tech that's required. And so we really wanted to leave that to experts because we want to keep the teams pretty lean and focused on the right things.
So Taco Bell has more than 8,750 locations worldwide and is still growing rapidly, Daniel. So what do you look for in a technology vendor when it comes to serving such a large company with so many locations?
When you add the complexity of having 38 markets across the globe, in addition to the US market, which is a massive market for us, it's really hard to be able to service a global footprint like that. And so it first starts with, does the partner actually have global experience across the world with these different markets and the different laws that it requires? I think second, do you actually have a field partner or a broad perspective of field partners across the globe that can service those things? And then for me in particular, it really starts with, integrity. Does the business actually do what they say they're going to do? Are they constantly innovating? One of the things that I really love about Scale is they kind of act as our foundational technology department. And so even though it might mean that they lose selling us hardware, they're constantly coming to us with ideas around how we can save some money here, about how we can improve things here. And so they've just always been out for our best interest. And that's what I really appreciate about Scale and really what I look for in a partner.
Great. It sounds like a really powerful partnership. So where has Scale delivered the most meaningful impact for Taco Bell so far?
When I think about what we were trying to accomplish, we talked a little bit about it during our presentations, but really moving from this point-to-point integration to more of a hub and spoke model. And I think that one of the things we were really looking for is how do we place a device at the edge that isn't super expensive, right? And that allows us to do the type of flexibility that we were looking for. So having, kind of real-time APIs that third-party systems can access our tools to be able to deliver the different experiences and or customer journeys that we were looking for. And then secondly, for me in the international space, it was really hard to have a network standard and a global footprint that could create this commonality across all of our markets. And so I really wanted something that would allow me to see the breadth of our estate across the world, being able to understand the health check, being able to dive into those restaurants and see the network maps and pulling some of that data so that we can get really kind of an eagle's eye view. So as I said earlier, it was really about Scale coming in and stepping in as our foundational technology department since we didn't really have that skill or muscle in the company.
What kind of impact have solutions like AccuVisual had for you at Taco Bell?
It's created a standard around how we do networking in all of our markets because today it was really left up to our local franchisees to figure out how to do network. And it's probably the most important thing to how all of this comes together, right? It's no secret that digital is one of our largest growing channels at Taco Bell. And so that means a lot of our orders are coming external to the restaurant. And so network was paramount to what we needed to do in technology.
Great. And if we look ahead a little bit, what kind of new projects is Scale Computing and Taco Bell partnering on in the year ahead, Daniel?
Yeah, great question. So I talked about it a little bit earlier, but one of the things that Scale is looking to do is how do we take our Smart Hub device and the SG router and put them into one device. It would remove, additional hardware that we would have to purchase. It would remove additional points of failure in the restaurant. And so it's just a good example about how they've been thinking in our best interest and really trying to help us get to a more efficient operating model at the cost of them selling us hardware. And I really appreciate them having our best interest.
Great. Sounds like exciting times ahead.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for joining me, Daniel. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, it's been great.
I've been Tom Watts, and if you want to find out more about Scale Computing Platform 2026, please visit techrepublic.com.